All right, boys and girls, welcome to Goron Guitar. We have Nej, I believe that is how I pronounce that French name. Abracadabra is the song title, and I like to sometimes bring in something different. This one is for your French speaking fans out there, so yeah, something for you guys as well. This will be magically fast, this tutorial. Abracadabra, let's go into it. So we have no need for any capo here. 4 chords that runs through the entire song. We're gonna start with F, which is a bar chord. You place any string like this on the first fret, and you add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Next chord is D minor, so that goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. You have A minor next, and that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E, and the final chord is C. And you will play third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Now, a strumming pattern to this. If you go to the first chord, we have the F, one round goes. So you're gonna start with down, short pause, and then up, clap down. So, for one round. A couple of rounds goes like this. You're gonna play one string round per chord in the order we learned them. So F1, D minor 1, A minor 1, C1, like this. So that, my friend, that is how you handle the Abracadabra song. Hope you enjoyed it. Magically fast. And yeah, I'm signing out till next time. Play tuned.